at the grandma and grandpa's house. And what do we see in the old shed? There it is. Do you see it? The mower from my childhood. What's up, yard freakos? So I'm kind of doing a guest post here from my parents' place, and I just wanted to show you, kind of leading into my review of my Honda mower, what I have I dealt with the last time I had experience with a mower that I dealt with a powered mower. So yeah, this is the mower I used. Okay, so the reason we had a Craftsman mower was because basically when we had a lawn care business back in high school, my dad basically wanted us to, when we bought something, if it was going to break down on us, that we can pretty much immediately return it back to Sears and get a new mower, right? So that's the reason we use Craftsman. Now, here's the thing I was surprised by with mowers then versus mowers now. Okay, now I know Sears probably still makes Craftsman mowers, don't get me wrong, but I didn't even consider Sears when I went shopping for my next mower, just because, quite frankly, Sears is dying, and not that I didn't think they were going to be there, for the next couple of years, but I just didn't go. It's a dying brand. It's a dying business. Anyway, now, here's the thing that surprised me. See right here? When we were mowing, basically, back in the day, we tried to get something with like 7.57 horsepower because we knew that those engines, and even though I know this is Briggs and Stratton, and I knew they had them back there too, because my dad was saying this thing's at least 10 years old. So, probably around the same time then. But anyway, we were trying to get stuff with 7.5 to 7 horsepower because we knew that thing could just chew through whatever was thrown at us as a lawn business. Usually it was old ladies calling us up because they had let their yards go to Jurassic Park land, so to speak.
Not into the long grass!
So anyway, that's what I'm surprised by. So yeah, this 6.5 good mower and everything. It's got the side discharge here that you can do. Let's see what the blades look like. And I just realized something on this mower. It's kind of funny. So pretty much the time that we usually ended up having to get these mowers is not because the motor went out or anything like that. It's always because of this. See, we'd buy let's see if I can get it here. See, we'd buy these mowers and then we just keep throwing them back into the yard all the time, or I mean into the truck bed all the time. But look at it. Look how bent it is. These things bent on us all the time. And it was usually because of this that we had to replace the mowers, because these things would literally snap off, and the way it was made, we couldn't replace it easily. So that was the reason why we usually had to replace the mowers. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to reminisce on this because, yeah, this is bringing back some memories from when the last time I took care of yards with a powered mower. It was like back in high school, freaking 14 years ago. So, anyway, just want to talk about that and, yeah, reminisce. Anyway, hope you all enjoyed this video and take it easy.